Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this video. This is Tak at Pioneer. Today I'm going to talk to you about the personal preset mode you'll find on our AV receivers. Please take a look in the description of the video to find a list of models that have this feature. Let's begin with what the personal preset mode does. Basically, it's a function that allows the receiver to memorize things such as volume level, listening mode, or a favorite album, playlist, or station from compatible streaming services. It's convenient when you want to quickly turn on your playlist for a party or a dinner. It's also convenient for those core users to preset your second HDMI out or settings for your second or third zones. For example, you can preset radio stations or playlists for the second or third zones. Now, let's go over how to configure the personal preset. The setup is actually quite simple. On your remote control or front panel of the AVR, you'll find 3 buttons with numbers 1 to 3. All you have to do is first make sure your AVR is on the mode you want for it to memorize, and then hold down one of the preset buttons for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, you'll see the words preset written on the front panel of the AVR, confirming it was memorized. Next, let's see how we can check the setting that was memorized. To check the setting that was memorized on the button, we recommend to turn on your TV and go through the navigation on its display. First, press the home button from your remote or front panel of the receiver. You'll see the TV changes to home menu. Then select the system setup, then enter input, output, assign, and then select personal preset information. The screen will shift to the personal preset information screen, and from here you can verify the input, the listening mode, volume, and if any multi-zone settings. For example, on preset 3, we've memorized to switch to music streaming using TuneIn, and zone 2 and 3 activated, and its settings you can confirm as you scroll down the screen. So I hope I've convinced you how easily you can set up these presets. Sometimes the receiver can be complicated with its many buttons and modes. We provided 3 buttons so you can memorize 3 different settings, such as using preset 1 for watching a movie, preset 2 to turn on your favorite internet radio station. We hope this helps you and other members in your home to easily enjoy your system. Thanks again for watching this video, and please check out our channel or website for updates on products, and we'll continue to deliver more content so to help you enjoy our products.
Sony's DN1080 is one of the best-selling receivers on the market, and it's so good it won many awards from What Hi-Fi, including Product of the Year and Best-Selling Receiver under £500. Receivers traditionally have provided you with a 2-dimensional surround sound experience. The DN1080 also supports Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. These provide you with 3-dimensional audio experience with sounds coming not from just around you, but also from above. With this 3D audio experience, you also want to have the best possible picture quality, and to support that, the DN1080 allows you to pass through 4K HDR video, including Dolby Vision. With its built-in Wi-Fi and network capabilities, the DN1080 has Chromecast for audio built in, as well as support for various multi-room systems. The DN1080 also has 6 HDMI inputs and 2 HDMI outputs with zone control, all supporting 4K HDR. You can configure all of these settings and more through the easy-to-use on-screen interface. You can also configure these settings on the fly with your smartphone or tablet, be it Android or iOS, using the Music Center application.
Hello, I'm Darren Sheriff, Yamaha's Director of Home Audio in the UK. I'm very pleased to welcome you all to the launch of the highly anticipated new era of our flagship Avantage range of AV receivers. Refinement, the improvement or clarification of something by the making of small changes. This only partially describes the leap forward we have made with this year's Avantage lineup. The RX-A4A, RX-A6A and RX-A8A represent 3 years of Yamaha R&D. So I'd like to start by saying, sorry it's taken us so long. But we're confident it's been worth it, and we can't wait for our customers to experience the best Yamaha AV receivers ever created. All 3 models strive for perfection, for realism, for musicality, and for true sound. But what is true sound, I hear you say? To help explain, let me hand over to Kai for our product strategy group in Japan.
To achieve clean and natural voice reproduction, our engineering people test a lot of contents. We want people to feel as if the person you are hearing is in the same room. Sound is not just one direction. You can hear sound from front, from right side, left side, back side, from above, near and far. So we want to express all of them. Our biggest goal is to set the sound free from speakers. We are a musical instrument company, so we always try to reproduce musical instrument sound faithfully. You cannot feel any distance between musicians and you. We've developed that technology for almost 60 years. That know-how is the uniqueness of Yamaha.
True sound is to remain faithful to the original performance, to the artist's voice, to the instrument being played. True sound is to deliver sound as the artist intended, as pure and as unchanged as we can possibly achieve. Our new Avantage range comes closer to setting the sound free from the speakers. In other words, it comes closer to cutting through all the clever tech and equipment to simply leave you feeling like the music is unfolding and being performed right in front of you. But today isn't just to talk about the latest technologies, but to convey the value of Avantage by focusing on the fundamental sound and mechanical design concepts. The types of improvements that you won't find on any spec sheets, yet are the reason why our new range can deliver a spectacular performance with even the most basic stereo format. Let's start by looking at the new external design. Why have we changed it? The new design represents our commitment to sound and to visually convey the evolution of Avantage. The overall design is clean yet powerful and a continuation of our hi-fi story. The center dial is symbolic of the core value of an amplifier and represents our confidence in sound quality, while the black mirror finish has been inspired by our legacy of musical instruments. It's these three concepts that make this a truly unique Yamaha audio design. But there's much more beyond the aesthetic design. We've reviewed and refined the fundamental performance, including the internal circuit design and mechanical structures. With new audio components, high slew rate amplifiers, custom block capacitors, and a new Qualcomm system on chip, we have completely reborn the Aventage lineup under the concept of true sound. And what better way to celebrate Aventage's 10th anniversary? Let me backtrack slightly. What is an AV receiver? Let's look at the role of an AVR, but split it into two parts. The first part is versatility. It's a hub to support the latest formats and devices. And one major step forward we've made here is the addition of HDMI 2.1, which will arrive via a firmware update later. The second part is outright performance and sound quality. As a piece of audio equipment, Aventage stands for AV entertainment for the new age. And over the last 10 years, we've added many new functions, such as the latest surround sound and video formats. But this time around, we've wanted to create a more significant step forward, with raw performance that will not become obsolete over time, and that helps cement the core Aventage values. This new range has seen more improvements than any other Aventage range in history, which gives us the confidence that customers will want to update their current AVRs, not just because of the new audio and video formats, but for the improved sound quality.